Question is, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of a clock be at right angle? Right angle means angle between two hands should be 90 degrees. So at what time the angle between two hands will be 90 degrees? That is what we need to identify. There are two ways to solve this problem. One is using concept, another is using formula. First we will solve the problem using concept, then we will solve it with formula. Exactly at 4 o'clock, long hand will be at 12 and the short hand will be at 4. At 4 o'clock, there will be 20 minute spaces apart. This is 5 minutes, this is 5 minutes, this is 5 minutes, and this is 5 minutes. Total 4 5-minute spaces, that is 20 minute spaces apart from each other. But to form 90 degrees, there should be 15-minute spaces apart. It means long hand should be here to get 15-minute spaces apart. So long hand needs to gain 5-minute spaces to form right angle. This is right angle because angle between these two are 90 degrees. That means long hand needs to gain 5-minute spaces to form right angle. This is right angle 90 degrees. Because we know that this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. Total 90 degrees. As we already know, long hand gains 55 minutes in 60 minutes. So in what time it gains 5 minutes? That we don't know. We can take that as x. Let's do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 60 into 5 by 55. 5 ones and 5 elevens. 60 by 11. We can write this as 5 and 5 by 11. So answer is at 4 o'clock and 5 and 5 11 minutes it will form right angle. This is the answer. Sometimes this will not be there in answer because in an hour 2 times right angle can be formed. So sometimes we may need to find second answer also. So how do we find that? In an hour right angle can be formed more than once. For example, at 4 o'clock long hand is at 12. If the long hand is here, even then it forms right angle because here the angle is 90 degrees. This is 30 degrees, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So total 90 degrees. At 4 o'clock long hand is at 12. To reach 7, how many minutes it needs to gain? We can simply multiply that number with 5. Here the number is 7. 7 into 5 is 35 minutes. To make another right angle, long hand needs to gain 35 minutes spaces. As we already know, 55 minute spaces can be gained in 60 minutes. So 35 minute spaces, to gain 35 minute spaces, long hand takes how much time? We don't know that. So we need to find out. Do the cross multiplication and let this be x. So x into 55 is equal to 60 into 35. X is equal to 60 into 35 by 55. 5 sevens and 5 elevens. 420 by 11. We can write this as 38 and 2 by 11. So exactly at 4 o'clock 38 and 2 by 11 minutes it will form another right angle. Now we will solve the problem using formula. Formula to find angle between long hand and short hand is mod 30h minus 11 by 2m. Here we need to find out right angle. So angle should be 90 degrees. Let's substitute. Here 30h, h means hours, it is 4 minus 11 by 2 m. Minutes is what we need to identify, and 30 into 4 is 120, and if we get 90 this side it will be minus 90 is equal to 11 by 2 m. it will be 30 is equal to 11 by 2 m. Finally m is equal to 30 into 2 by 11, it is 60 by 11. It's nothing but 5 and 5 by 11. 5 and 5 by 11 minutes is the answer. This is same as previous approach. Next question. At what time between 5:30 and 6 will the hands of a clock be at right angles? Exactly at 5 o'clock long hand will be at 12 and short hand will be at 5. To form right angle, long hand needs to be here. Because this is 90 degrees, 30, 30 and 30. Long hand to come here at 2, it needs to gain 10 minute spaces. If it gains 10 minute spaces, it will form right angle. But we need right angle between 5:30 and 6. As I said earlier, right angle can be found more than one time in an hour. So we need to find out another right angle. That will be exactly at long hand needs to be here, because here also it will form a right angle. 30, 30 and 30, total 90 degrees. From 12 to reach 8, long hand needs to gain how many minutes spaces? For that we need to multiply this number with 5. This number is 8. 8 into 5 means 40. 40 minute spaces long hand needs to gain to form right angle. As we know, 55 minute spaces can be gained in 60 minutes and 40 minute spaces can be gained in how many minutes? That we don't know. We need to identify. We take that as x. Let's cross multiply. X into 55 is equal to 60 into 40. X is equal to 60 into 40 by 55. 5 8s and 5 11s. 480 by 11. How can we write 480 by 11? 480 and 11 4s 44 and 4 and 11 3s 33 and remainder is 7. We can write this as 43 and 7 by 11 minutes. So the answer is exactly at 5 hours 43 and 7 by 11 minutes it will form right angle.